Continuing from the previous tutorial, now let's go ahead and set up your plugins and themes and your first page that you'll need. Here from the dashboard, click on Appearance, Themes, and we're going to add a new theme that's easier to work with than these two. You can go ahead and delete these when we're done, these two. But we're going to add a new theme, so click on the Add New button and search for the theme called Astra. Like so. This is a nice lightweight theme that works well with the various plugins that you're going to use to set up your web page for this course. So go ahead and click on Install to install Astra, and then after it's installed, activate it. There's always a two-stage process with WordPress as you install and then activate. Once you've installed that, go ahead and click on the Customize button, conveniently located right there. Let's go through some basic customizations for the simple website you'll build for the course. You can at any time change the name, notice, of your website here. You can also go to the archives, go to categories, go to meta. We won't really be using these very much. We're going to primarily be looking at the widget area, which is over here to the left. Notice you can also change the active theme there. And there's an option for getting Astra Pro, which I do have if you want to get into more detail. If you're planning on maybe learning more about web design, you can go ahead and email me and ask me for the Astra Pro theme, which gives you more options. So click on the global, and for the colors, you want to set your base colors here. And the best way to do your base colors is to go to another website called Adobe Color. If you just go to Google and type Adobe Color, that'll take you to the color site for Adobe. And this will give you a range of various themes and colors that work well together. I like to go to the Explorer. You can create your own using one of these rules, but for most students who are beginning, I would go to the Explore page, go to the graphic design area. You can also do trends, and go to the graphic design area and pick one of these that you like. Any one of these. You can view more here. So pick one of these colors, let's say this one you like, and then go ahead and just copy these colors here. So notice you can just do a copy, you can copy that color, and then you go back to your WordPress and you can choose your theme color, and once that color is in memory, there it goes there, and that'll be your theme color. So I would choose black for the text color. You're probably either going to do a black or white, one or the other, either a dark background with white text or a light background with black text. And then you can choose your link color. Maybe you want to do this one as the link color. So just click on copy and go back and clear what's there and go ahead and paste in the new color. You notice it's slightly different. So that'll really keep you safe in terms of the various colors that you have. Make sure that they're compatible. So I'm going to go over the link color, and I'm going to clear that. I'm going to put the red for the link color. So that's going to give me a nice range of colors there. So visit the Adobe site, choose one of the lighter themes. Some of these are a bit dark, and I think the lighter ones tend to work better. And find one that you like, and simply go to the area of the Astra global settings for colors. Choose your colors and then click on Publish. Again, I recommend sticking with black for the text color. Go all the way out of the colors section, and then for typography, go to your base typography, and you want to choose two font typefaces here. One for the family, one for the text, and one for the body. Okay, so the settings here are headings here. So choose one for headings, set that family here. You can also choose it from the list here. And one for base typography. This will be for the body text, where most of your writing will be. Now, to get some idea on the type of fonts that look good, I'm going to take you to another website. This one's called Google Fonts. And what's nice about this one is it shows you all the fonts together. So you can see all the fonts here. And most of these fonts will be the same ones you'll see over here in Astra. So the rule here is you want to probably do one family of fonts for the headings and another type of family of fonts for the base typography. Now you'll notice that here we have categories, and we have various categories of typefaces. I think the monospace you can ignore. That's for program if you're writing a program and you want it to look like a computer, or something that's fancy like handwriting. I would do one of these three for your headings, either display or serifed. All right, so one of these types of families for the headings. And then for the typography, the base typography, I would do sans serif. So one of these for the base. Pick one that you like, find the name, and then choose it from the huge drop down of names here. And that'll set up your font so that you have two different kinds. So typically, the headings will be a little bit more fancy, and the body text or the base typography will be very basic and easy to read. The key is you want it to be very easy to read. So let's exit out of the base typography and the typography and exit out of the global area and continue in the next tutorial with the rest of our customizations.